Volcanoes are geological structures through which magma rises from beneath the Earth's crust. Eruptions are incredibly powerful and destructive events, but they are also fascinating natural phenomena, about which we explain more in our theDAILYECO video on how volcanoes are formed and what causes eruptions. What are volcanoes? A volcano can be defined as a rupture in the Earth's crust through which magma or molten rock is expelled. This eruption takes the form of hot lava, volcanic ash, and gases from the interior of the Earth. They usually form on the edge of tectonic plates. They are made up of lava flows and fragmented material, but they can form in different ways depending on location. The conical mountain-type volcano is perhaps the most recognizable. How is a volcano formed? As we indicated, there are different ways by which a volcano can form depending on where it is located and other factors. However, the steps leading to formation are generally the same. Continental boundary volcanoes. Continental boundary volcanoes are formed when the subduction process occurs. This happens when a denser oceanic plate subducts to a thinner continental plate. In this process, the subducted material melts, forming magma that will rise through fissures to be expelled to the outside, forming the volcano. Mid-ocean ridge volcanoes. As the name suggests, oceanic ridge volcanoes occur in the ocean. They form when the tectonic plates separate and create an opening through which the magma generated in the upper mantle emerges. The majority of volcanic activity is submarine, forming a new sea floor. Lastly, there are hotspot volcanoes. These are those generated by the ascending magma plumes that cross the crust and accumulate in ocean beds, forming land masses such as the Hawaiian Islands. We can say that volcanoes can be of different types according to some characteristics of their formation, such as the place or the exact process, but there are aspects of volcanic formation which are common to them all. Discover our guide to the world's most dangerous volcanoes in the info video above. Before we continue, let's put you to the test. Through which part of the volcano does the lava reach the outside? A. Crater and fissures, B. Magmatic chamber, or C. Neither of the above. Think about your answer and check back at the end of the video to see if you're right. Steps of the formation of volcanoes. Regardless of the way a volcano forms, they follow the same general steps, which are: at highly elevated temperatures, magma forms inside the planet. This rises to the top of the Earth's crust. It exits through fissures in the Earth's crust and through the main crater in the form of an eruption. Finally, pyroclastic materials accumulate on the surface of the Earth's crust, forming the main volcanic cone. How a volcanic eruption occurs. The eruption is one of the main characteristics of volcanoes that help us to classify and study them. We can find three different types of volcanic eruption mechanism. A magmatic eruption is produced by the release of the gas contained within the magma by a decompression effect. This causes the density to fall, making it possible for the magma to exit in an upwards direction. A phreatomagmatic eruption occurs when magma cools once it comes in contact with water. When this collision occurs with the magma, there is an explosive increase at the surface and the magma is fractionated. And finally, we have the phreatic eruption, which occurs when the water in contact with the magma evaporates. Thanks to the evaporation, surrounding materials and particles are expelled. When this happens, only the magma remains. Going back to the question we asked you before, do you have your answer ready? The correct answer is A. The volcano mainly expels lava and other materials through the crater, but fissures also form in other parts of the volcano where these materials come out. If you want to continue learning about curiosities of nature, don't miss the playlist that we share here. Do you have any fascinating volcano facts you'd like to share? Share them in the comments if so, and we'll see you next time.